can't deny that most of us perceive that crypto is for men. Though, to be honest, there is a growing number of women in the cryptocurrency industry. Some of these women are even becoming C-suite members. The so-called crypto bro cryptocurrency enthusiasts, with their quirks and advice, are being challenged by this increase in women. Luckily for you, Crypto Clipper, in this video you will meet these women who broke down the sexist crypto world. So move over, bros. Women can make it to the cryptocurrency too. A few years ago, women were in attendance at the Bitcoin conference, where they only made up to 50% of attendees. More striking is that one woman introduced herself as the wife of a miner, to which she was met with an iron-willed response from the mostly male attendees. Today, more women are behind leading crypto organizations and not just serving as a supportive spouse, but stepping into clear roles in the industry. Elena Tonoyan, COO of Local Bitcoin, a company that sells Bitcoin-based services in exchange for fiat currency, feels it's imperative to bring more women into the cryptocurrency community. She mentioned that there is a reason why women strive to represent an equal number of men and women in the companies. Men and women have different strengths, and she thinks crypto can benefit from women's talents. An initiative to find more women in crypto is the Women Coin Summit, a women-only conference where female CEOs exchange knowledge and develop plans for the future. Tina Hui, the CEO and founder of Follow the Coin, Kavril Fowler from Transmute, and Elvina Kamalova, director of growth at Black Mason, are on panel about Beyond the Blockchain and empowering women within crypto space. People such as Lightning Lab scholarships for women developers, women-centric initiatives like She265, Crypto Chicks, and organizations like Global Women in Blockchain have challenged the status quo. All women online communities like Boys Club provide individuals who are interested in cryptocurrency with a soft landing. Since we already have the Women in Blockchain, the Women in Blockchain organization was founded in 2017 and offers information on how the industry works through easily accessible articles, videos, blog posts, and podcasts. The organization fuses well-written content with vivid representations of what they describe as gems, such as a comprehensive beginner's guide to blockchain or Bitcoin explained with emoji. In addition to partnering with She256 to launch the Komoribi Fund, which raised over $400K in less than 3 months, Women in Blockchain also provides insight into one of the enduring debates of blockchain consensus mechanisms. The DAO encourages female founders across the world to apply for funding. We've seen some powerful women achieve milestones in the crypto sector, including Catherine Coley, CEO of Binance US, who we will also be talking about later. George Quinn, General Counsel at Anchorage, Elizabeth Rosiello, CEO of BitPesa, Leah Jones, Head of Partnerships at Celsius Network, Tony Lane Casserly, CEO of Cointelegraph, and the list goes on. Interestingly, data from Crunchbase shows that about 311 crypto companies have one or more female founders in their founding team. The number of female crypto investors has skyrocketed due to the heightened media exposure and increased education in recent years. They're seeking cryptos as a path to freedom, independence, and empowerment. In the beginning of 2021, Bitstamp witnessed an increase of 198% in female investors on their exchange platform. Furthermore, from the first 3 quarters of 2021, the female trade volume on Bitstamp rose by 58%, with women aged between 55 to 60 making up 1/3 of that figure, and young women aged 30 to 35 seeming most interested in trading on the platform. The male participation in the coin dance market declined from 94% in 2018 to 86% in 2020. In 2020, there was a 43% increase in women working within the crypto economy, as reported by CoinMarketCap. This statistic reflects the changing industry and shows signs of breaking preconceived ideas. Women are founders, co-founders, chief strategy officers, professors specializing in blockchain, executive directors, CEOs, and beyond. They are fulfilling all sorts of roles where they lead their companies and keep the industry moving forward during the crypto revolution. More women are entering the crypto space, while they continue to be disproportionately represented compared to the fact that cryptos took off in a male-dominated space. Despite the promotion of blockchain and cryptocurrencies as democratizing tools, there remain a few reasons behind blockchain's bro culture, like girls still not being encouraged to take STEM subjects during compulsory school years, or females having fewer opportunities for choice of careers than their male counterparts. Around 14% of STEM jobs in India are held by females, but this is likely due to sexism. Many believe the gender gap in cryptocurrency is an unintentional issue because of inherent stereotypes. However, the female interest in STEM and related fields is on the rise, with 57% girls wanting to pursue STEM as a career option in India. While the number of female graduates may be lower in developed countries like the US, UK, and Germany, it's much higher than that of developed nations like France, 34%, and Germany, 27%. Many of the most crucial steps in crypto are already being pioneered by women entrepreneurs, including those in India. Preeti Kasredi, for example, designed a crypto course for beginners that is both a delight and much-needed tool for newcomers. Richa Joshi gave to the world the first ever decentralized notification protocol, Ethereum Push Notification Service, or EPNS. And of course, one of the largest publications in this space, Cointelegraph, was founded by Tony Lane Casserly. One of the most famous women in the cryptocurrency industry is Blythe Masters, who led JP Morgan as executive vice president and co-invented the credit default swap. She was the first major banking executive to leave Wall Street in favor of crypto, where she led Digital Asset Holdings, or DAH, for 4 years before stepping down, but retaining her board seat. DAH is a financial technology company that is leading smart contracts. This is encouraging to see, as leaders like Tegi Altancuyag, COO and co-director of CoinFloor, share their perspective on how the industry is being truly equitable across all participants. She says, "I may often be the only woman in the room, but my voice is listened to as much as any of the men. We're a progressive industry, one that appreciates each other regardless of their sex." Masha Drakova, founder of Day One Ventures, seems to agree. She's outspoken about the industry giving no particular importance to gender and focusing more on whether you can deliver. The crypto space is not about gender, but more about your energy, professionalism, and speed, she said. As a female investor and professional in blockchain with many campaigns under her belt, Masha Drakova feels appreciated and supported now more than ever. In 2017, Masters served as the CEO of Motive Capital Corp, a stock and property company sponsored by fintech investor Motive Partners. Catherine Coley has also been a woman to hold the CEO position as the former head of Binance US, an online platform, cryptocurrency marketplace, and subsidiary of the largest crypto exchange. Composing diverse roles with diverse hires includes bringing in Reena Shah, who currently heads up exchange for Binance US. Shah was previously a petroleum engineer before transitioning into the crypto world as a miner of cryptocurrencies. Coley said in one interview that digital asset management roles are helping people underrepresented in past industries have the chance to define the digital future, that they offer economic independence from big companies and a diverse set of opportunities. This year, Katherine Dowling joined Bitwise as the company's general counsel and chief compliance officer. Dowling brought over a decade of experience as a prosecutor in the United States Attorney's Office, where she worked on financial crimes and leadership experience in wealth management firms before transitioning to Bitwise, one of the leading crypto asset managers. In one interview, Dowling said that crypto is always evolving and there's a lot going on, which is really true. We can all agree to that, right? But we won't end with Dowling. These are 4 notable women in crypto. Meltem Demirors is the Chief Strategy Officer of CoinShares. Elizabeth Stark is the CEO and co-founder of Lightning Labs, which works to bridge the gap between open-source software and next-generation Bitcoin financial software. Joyce Kim is the co-founder and executive director of Stellar.org. And Dr. Sally Eves is Emergent Technology CTO, professor of blockchain, global strategic advisor, and founder of Aspirational Futures. Women in the cryptocurrency industry aren't only coming from the inside. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce has been dubbed Crypto Mom by the crypto community and is a vocal advocate and proponent of the potential digital assets present, reports Blockworks. She is one of 5 commissioners for the SEC and has done everything from advocating for spot Bitcoin ETF to criticizing the regulatory agency's approach with finding exchange. According to Hester, enforcement first may not be an appropriate approach for regulating this space at all. It seems that the attention on the gender gap in crypto is still strong. At the event called Blockchain World, which takes place December 15 to 17, DCS 2021, will be featuring women helping in the cryptocurrency sphere. This press release also highlights their goal of inspiring more people to enter the decentralized currency realm and describes some of the challenges that females might encounter before or after joining. In a recent survey, CNBC and Acorn found that 16% of men are currently investing in cryptocurrency at the same rate as 7% of women. In general, this disparity is seen not just within the financial world, but also within many areas in life. For example, according to data from Kapoor Capital, particularly men and white people have disproportionate jobs compared to minorities groups. Again, Coley said that women have a real opportunity to lead, create, and define how the world will operate and how the money will move. And we couldn't agree more, right? She said that this freedom contrasts the start of her career on Wall Street, which took about 200 plus years since the first American bank opened to place a woman at the highest leadership level. There is so much potential for growth and diversity of leadership and thought. She also added that there is so much potential for growth. And there's also a collaboration called BFF. Have you heard of this collaboration? Well, the BFF team includes more than 50 women affiliated with industries like art, television, and digital media. The founder list boasts icons like Gwyneth Paltrow, Mila Kunis, Tyra Banks, and Randy Zuckerberg. In January of this year, the collective presented an inaugural event dubbed Crypto 101, which included educational panels about the projected $10 trillion Web3 market for investors. Another thing, one effect of crypto's diversity problem is the lack of feminine-looking avatar NFTs, which community members adopt as their profile pictures to establish credibility within the space. World of Women launched as a collection featuring colorful, hand-drawn art of diverse female faces and has seen immense success, not just as a female-focused collection, but one of the most popular avatar series overall. With several celebrity backers, pieces from this collection go for over $13,000 at cheapest, all the way up to $27 million for one woman with green skin and flower earrings. With all the women we've mentioned and talked about, there's still a long list of women amazingly taking up space in the cryptocurrency industry by storm. The views shared in this article clearly show that women should not be allowed to be excluded from the crypto space. In fact, anyone can thrive if they recognize that there is no such thing as a ceiling for this industry, and women will be able to get involved on their own terms. That's it for this video, Crypto Clipper. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon.